Hi everyone, good day! In this video, I'll be teaching you how to fix Starfield Sabotage Mission Bug. Okay, first things first, method number 1 is to scan the door. The first thing you should try is scanning the door while completing the mission. Scanning the door activates it and allowing you to proceed with your sabotage mission in Starfield. Another fix you can try is untracking the sabotage mission temporarily and then retracking it. Wait for a few minutes in between and then try to do the mission again. Many players have found this to resolve the bug issue. Next step is to make sure that you are following the correct steps for completing the mission. Ensure that you are not missing any crucial actions or using items incorrectly. Properly using the scanner is essential for manipulating the demarcus. Target the keyboard on the bench next to him, and once he picks it up, target the door itself using the unlock command. As an alternative fix, you can also use console commands. Use the command TCL to walk to David if you can find him. Sometimes he may be under the map for an unknown reason. However, if none of the previous fixes work or you are unable to resolve the issue yet, consider reaching out to the support team of Bethesda for assistance. You can contact them via their website at help.pizza.net. Anyways, if you like content like this, don't forget to subscribe to this channel or comment down below any tutorials you want us to make, so we can help you. And that's it. You can now fix Starfield Sabotage Mission Bug. Thanks for watching and happy scrolling!